Hi, this is Mark from Rublon. I'm going to show you how you can protect Windows logins with easy-to-use Rublon Multi-Factor Authentication using QR code. In this authentication method, you are asked to scan a unique QR code using the Rublon Authenticator mobile app. The QR code authentication method combines speed with user convenience. I log into my Windows account by entering my Windows Hello PIN. A QR code appears on the screen. I launch the Rublon Authenticator app and scan the QR code, and I'm logged into Windows. Rublon supports a variety of other authentication methods, including FIDO security keys, phone call, mobile push, email, as well as TOTP passcodes. Enables secure access to networks, servers, endpoints, and applications using modern MFA. Go to Rublon.com and start a free trial of Rublon Multi-Factor Authentication.